Hey everyone, we're all online pretty much every single day, right? But there's this one super basic question that trips a lot of people up, even the really tech-savvy ones. So let's just jump right in.
All right, let's just rip the Band-Aid off. Is the internet the same thing as the World Wide Web? I mean, we use the words interchangeably all the time, so they must be, right? Well, not exactly. So to really wrap our heads around this, let's try something. Forget about all the technical jargon for a second. Instead, let's imagine we're all about to go on a big road trip. Trust me, this is going to make everything click. Okay, so on our road trip, the very first thing we need to figure out is the difference between the actual highway and all the cool shops and stops along the way. So let's talk about the internet. This is the highway itself. It's this massive global network of connected computers, cables, and satellites. It's the physical roads and bridges that connect the entire world, letting all that data zoom from one place to another. Okay, so if the internet is the highway system, then what's the World Wide Web? Well, the web is all the places you actually go on the highway. Think of it like all the shops, the libraries, the movie theaters, all those websites and pages you visit, like Wikipedia or YouTube. They exist on the internet. So here's the bottom line, the thing to remember. You can't get to the shops without the roads, right? Same thing here. You absolutely need the internet to get to the web. The internet is the foundation, the infrastructure. The web is just one of the things, a really, really popular thing that's built on top of it. All right, so we've got the roads and we've got the places. Now let's talk about all the amazing kinds of destinations you can actually visit on this digital journey. I mean, seriously, what can't you do? You can do research for a school paper, you can video chat with your family across the world, you can binge watch shows, play games, buy basically anything, or even get a whole degree online. Every single one of those is a different destination on our superhighway. Just think about something simple, like watching a cartoon on YouTube. In our road trip analogy, you've just pulled up to an entertainment destination. See, you're using the internet, the highway, to get to a specific place, YouTube, which is part of the World Wide Web. Okay, this is great. We've got the highway, we've got all these destinations. But how do we actually get around? Every good road trip needs two things, right? A car to drive and a map to figure out where you're going. So, what's your vehicle for this trip? It's your web browser. You know, things like Chrome, Safari, Firefox. That piece of software is literally your car. It's what lets you get on the superhighway and drive to all those different websites. Without your browser, you're just standing on the side of the road. But man, there are billions of websites out there, billions of destinations. How in the world do you find anything? Well, that's what your map is for. And your map is a search engine like Google or Bing. It's your digital GPS. You just type in what you want and it gives you a list of directions, links to get you there. So you see how they're a team, right? You hop in your car, that's opening your browser. Then your first stop is usually to check the map. That's going to a search engine. You use the map to find a place, click a link, and your car, the browser, is what actually drives you there. Two different tools working together perfectly. Okay, so let's recap. You get the highway versus the destinations. You've got your car and you've got your map. Now you have everything you need. You're not just a passenger anymore. You are the explorer. And really, starting any online journey is just this easy. Step 1, get in your vehicle. That just means opening a browser like Chrome. Step 2, pull out your map. Go to a search engine like Google. And step 3, pick a destination. Search for something you're curious about and click on a link. That's it. You're off and exploring. Let's say it one more time, just to lock it in. The internet is the highway. The World Wide Web is all the destinations along that highway. Your browser is your car, and a search engine, well, that's your map. This whole digital universe is it's incredible. It's this huge place just packed with information, fun, and ways to connect with people. And now you've got the keys and the map. You know how to navigate it like a pro. So I guess there's only one question left. Where are you going to go first?